If you're getting DirectX errors, missing DLL files, or if a game simply won't launch on your PC, the problem is often related to missing DirectX components. In this video, I'll show you how to install both the latest DirectX version and the DirectX 2010 runtime, which is still required by many programs. Installing these two packages helps ensure that both modern and older games and applications run properly on Windows. First, we're going to access the official Microsoft website. I'll leave the link in the video description to make things easier. Here we're going to download the latest DirectX installer. If needed, you can select your preferred language before clicking Download. After downloading the file, open the installer to begin the installation. Accept the license terms and click Next. Make sure to uncheck this option so it doesn't install the Bing bar on your computer, and then click Next again. The installer will now check your system for DirectX components. If anything is missing, it will automatically download and install the required files. If you see a message saying that DirectX is already installed, it simply means that your system already has the required components. However, many games still rely on older DirectX libraries, which are included in the DirectX 2010 runtime package. So next, we're going to install that version as well. Now let's download DirectX June 2010. After downloading the file, create a new folder on your desktop. You can name it anything. The DirectX file will extract all of its components, so we need a folder to store them. Open the file and click Yes, then select the folder we just created on the desktop and confirm. After the extraction is complete, open the folder and locate the installer called DX Setup. Open it to start the installation. Accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. The installation process may take a few minutes, so just wait until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, I recommend restarting your computer. After restarting, try launching your game again to see if the problem has been fixed. If you installed DirectX just as a precaution, your system should now have all the required DirectX components for most games and applications. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.